Hi guys! For today's video, update tayo about Julia Montiz and Alden Richard. So meron na naman tayong aabangan. Nagbabalik na ang daytime drama queen na si Julia Montiz. At of course, kasama niya si Alden Richard sa kanilang movie together under GME and Cornerstone entitled 5 Breakups and Romance.
Pero nagulat talaga ako with the Alden. So, seriously, ako po? Talaga ba ako? And then, syempre honored and happy ako to work with him. Hindi pa kami masyadong matagal nagsushoot, pero na-appreciate ko. That's why Alden Richards is Alden Richards. Alam ko na kung bakit. So, yun yun.
Teka lang. Okay.
Na-excite ako with the idea of me being paired with Julia kasi I know how brilliant of an actress she is. And kumbaga parang si Jules yung isa sa mga leading ladies. Ayaw nga namin ng ganung title. Pero parang mga nakapartner ko, so far, by far, na unang meeting pa lang, as in, wala nang pretensions. Naramdaman ko yung sincerity immediately. So, hindi rin ako natakot na to give my all in this film kasi siguro napaka-importante nung kung paano pinapakilala ng bawat isa yung individuality nila bago kami